Wow, look at that cool mushroom. What is it? Cool. The big ass mushroom, guys. Oh, there's another one.
Is there? The perfect condition for it.
Interesting. Interesting mushroom. It's pretty chunky too.
Smells funky?
Chunky. Chunky.
This one's almost perfect. Yeah. That one has a stocky ass stem. Yeah.
Just walking through the forest.
Do me a favor and appease me. Whiskers. Oh, here's a red one.
A red mushroom?
Yeah. Probably the same family. It just looks a different color.
Where?
By yourself.
Oh wow.
Oh, nice.
That's a cool ass picture right there.
With the moss.
Yes. Whoops.
What does it smell like? Would you like the pop-pops out of your picture? Smell like earth?
No, it's fine. I'm not gonna get her in the picture.
Nothing?
Are those ones?
Oh, that's cool too.
That's awesome. There's mushrooms everywhere, all sorts.
Is there?
There's some weird looking ones over here.
Little one?
Little baby ones.
Baby statues?
They look like those turkey ones. Turkey tail or some shit. Beautiful. Cool. Nice. Wow. Nice views. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Nice. Love being out here in nature. Look, more mushrooms. These ones have cups that are facing up. Look. Like little trumpets. It's pretty cool. beautiful. I love these little mountain trails.
Use your inside voice. You're in the forest.
How pretty is this? Wow, look at all these wildflowers, guys. They are everywhere. Look at that. Just appreciate the beauty. Look at that one.
Oh, wow.
Looks like a doorknob or something, huh?
Yeah. Interesting to know what kind they are.
Cool, huh?
No, they're poisonous. Lick your fingers, Adrian.
No.
No. William and I do both have hand sanitizer if you want some.
Nah. Alright guys, so where we're headed right now is to the site of a natural spring that pops out of this mountainside right here. It goes down this way and down into a small little waterfall. I will show you here in a bit. It's actually really cool. Again, we're up here in a place called Cloud Croft, New Mexico. You can already hear the water. In fact, I'm gonna make a new video right here after I show you what it looks like. So right here is where the water's rushing out. You can see it bubbling out. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna make a new video here.